motion and the non-uniform motion. So first of all, let's start with what is a motion. We can say an object is in motion if its position changes with respect to time. So let me define that to you with an example. Consider there is an object here and here is an observer. Okay, so after a time t, the object changes its position and it stops here. So the observer is moving, the observer is viewing this object in this direction. After a certain time t, he has to change his perspective and he has to look in this direction. So with respect to the observer standing here, now the object was initially here and now its position was here. So he has to tilt his head in this direction. So according to him, the object has changed its position. So we can say, with respect to this observer, this object is in motion. So this is what we call as a motion. When an object changes its position with respect to time, with respect to an observer, we can say the object is in motion. Okay. I hope you are getting my point. Okay. So shall we start? Okay then. Uniform motion. And the non-uniform motion. So these are the two distinctions of motion. Uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Let's just start with the uniform motion. First of all, what is a uniform motion? Suppose there is a floor here. And here we take the reference as 0 meter. And we put graduations like 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, 4 meter, etc. And a boy is standing here. Suppose there is a boy standing here. So in 1 second he travelled around 1 meter. Suppose. And after 2 seconds he travelled 2 meter. And after 3 seconds he travelled 3 meter. So for the first second it is 1 meter. For 2 seconds, for total 2 seconds it is 2 meter. And then 3 seconds it is 3 meter. From 0 seconds. Okay. So from 0 seconds to 1 second he travelled 1 meter. And then 0 second to 2 second he travelled 2 meter. That is, from 1 second to 2 second he travelled 1 meter. And here from 0 second to 3 second he travelled 3 meter, which means from 2 seconds to 3 seconds he travelled same 1 meter. So for each 1 second gap, the increase in the distance is 1 meter. So the distance is increasing, which is the distance travelled is increasing, is at a rate of 1 meter for 1 second. Okay. So next we discuss about the non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. So first, again we take the scale 0 meter, 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, and then 4 meter, then 5 meter. Suppose the boy is standing here, and here is 0 seconds. And for the 1 second he travelled 1 meter. For the 1 second he travelled 1 meter. And suppose from 0 to 2 seconds he travelled around 3 meter. And from 0 to 3 seconds he travelled 4 meter. So I can again write that this in board. 0 second, 2 second, 3 meter, and then 0 second to 3 seconds, then 4 meter. So here we can see for 0 to 1 second there is 1 meter, and then 1 second to 2 second there is 2 meter increase, and then 2 seconds to 3 seconds there is 1 meter increase again. So we can see here for each 1 second the change in the distance is not uniform. For the first case it is 1 meter, second case it is 2 meter, and for the third case it is 1 meter. So there is no uniformity in this thing. So we can say this kind of a motion as a non-uniform motion. Okay. So thank you students. That's for today's topic, and hope you have a nice day.